This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. So on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. The market is a pendulum that forever swings between unsustainable optimism and unjustified pessimism. Okay, friends, so that will end our daily financial wisdom of the day. We're going to quickly move over to our charts and make sure that we are still trading within the trend. And as usual, we're going to start at the beginning of the charts. But before we begin, we're going to go over our 4 rules of trading. So our first rule of trading is that we always pay ourselves first, okay? Pay yourselves first. Our second rule of trading is that once the market takes off and our trade is profitable, we're going to go ahead and drop in that stop loss. We don't do it when we first put our trade in there, but we do it once the trade takes off and we are making some money. Our third rule of trading is that whenever our 50-period simple moving average is positioned in between the 200 and the 500, that is our no buy, no sell zone, okay? And our fourth rule of trading is patience. Patience, patience, okay? So we're going to get started. And so we're going to take a look at EUR USD. Okay, so friends, this particular market here, we have been buying this market for a while. And so our first rule of trading is that we're going to go ahead and pay ourselves first. We got into this market early on, and so we're just paying ourselves first. We have our stop loss in at our entry point. Our trade is protected. Now, for everyone else who have not had a chance to get into this market, rule number 3 is in effect. Rule number 3 is in effect, and so we're going to use rule number 4. We're going to be patient. So everyone who did not get into that market, we're going to be patient. You're going to wait. We're going to have another opportunity, many opportunities to get into this market, but not right now. GBP USD. Okay, friends, this rule number 3 is in effect. We missed our window, and we are not in this market, okay? We're going to be patient and wait this one out. USD CHF. Okay, friends, this is a sell market. We actually had a sell order in here. The market pulled back on us and hit our stop loss at our entry point and knocked us out the market. So for right now, we are not in this sell market. We're going to wait it out because the pullbacks are continuing. It might lead to a trend change. We do not know. We got to use rule number 4. We got to be patient and see what happens in the market, okay? USD JPY. This is also rule number 3 is in effect, friends. We missed our window. We're not in this market, so we're going to be patient and wait it out. EUR CHF. This is a buy market, and we are definitely in this market, friends. We're skimming off the top. We pay ourselves a lot off of each of our profitable markets every single day. If you have a large enough lot size, you're able to do that. So we got our stop loss in at our entry point, and we're paying ourselves today. EUR GBP. Okay, friends, this is a buy market as well. We had a buy order in this market. The market pulled back on us, hit our stop loss at our entry point, and knocked us out this market. So we are no longer in this market. We're going to be patient and wait because there are pullbacks that are happening here. So we're not sure if it's going to change the trend. So we're just going to be patient and wait it out. EUR JPY. This is a sell market, and we are selling this market, and we're paying ourselves off of this market today. Drop your stop loss in at your entry point. GBP CHF. This, friends, is a sell market as well. I would probably wait because there are some major pullbacks that are happening in this market. I would probably wait before I would drop in a sell order here. This is a sell market. So yes, rule number 4, friends, patience. Wait this one out. Pullbacks are happening. We're not getting in this one. Okay. Okay, GBP, JPY. Okay, let's see. This rule number 3 is in effect, friends. We missed our window and we're not in this market. Patience, okay? CHF, JPY. This is also another sell market, friends. We're selling. We're going to be paying ourselves today. Got our stop loss in at our entry point. Okay, friends, we're going to take a look at our oil markets. We have had our sell orders in these markets, friends. The market had continued to pull back on us. So let's take a look at Brent crude. We're going to just bring that market up on our window. So we're going to take a look at our Bitcoin market. I'm at a Bitcoin. I'm sorry, friends. We're going to take a look at Brent crude. Okay, so with Brent crude, friends, as you can see here, okay, so our 50-period moving average is positioned underneath the 200 and 500. We're getting, we have been trying to come in with our sell order, friends. The market had continued to pull back. So we weren't able to get in. It never hit our sell order, but it appears, friends, that we are getting some signs that the trend may be changing on Brent crude, on Brent crude. It looks like the market is gearing up to switch trends. We'll know more tomorrow, friends. Okay, so let's wait. We're going to be patient on that particular market. And as that goes for Brent spot, we're getting early notice, friends, that the trend is changing for Brent spot. So we're going to take a look at that market tomorrow. And then we're going to take a look at WTI crude. This market here too, friends, we had our sell order in there. It never hit our sell order. It's like we're getting early notice that the trend is changing in this market. It's going from sell to buy. So we'll have we'll have our confirmation tomorrow that the trend is changing on these oil markets. So in the same for WTI spot, we're getting first notice that this trend is changing for that. It's moving from a sell to a buy. Okay. So we'll come back tomorrow, and with confirmation, you could probably just take out your sell stop order that never triggered, and we're going to reposition with a buy order. But we'll come back tomorrow on that market. Okay, friends, as far as Bitcoin, that's another market that's of interest to people. Okay, friends, so this has been a buy market for a while, friends, so hopefully you have your buy order in there for those who want to participate in this market. And ETH/USD, this is also another buy market. You know, for a lot of day traders, some of these markets move very, very slow, so you have to make up your mind if you want to engage in this market. There's very low volatility, but this is a buy market for ETH/USD. And then for LTC/USD, this is also a buy market for those who are already in it. Everyone else, if you are not already in this market, you're going to stay out of this market. Rule number 3 is in effect, okay? Rule number 3. So let's swing over to our to silver. So I brought that chart up here. And as you can see, we've been buying, we have been buying silver. This is a buy market. We've been buying silver since the trend actually started. That was probably back in September, late September, around that time frame. We've been buying it since. And we've been paying ourselves every day off of that market. Now, for everyone else who have not had the opportunity to get into silver, it's too late. You've missed your window, but you're going to have another opportunity to get into silver shortly, okay? But for right now, for everyone else who did not get a chance to get in, rule number 3 and rule number 4. Okay, friends, so we're going to take a look at gold. Okay, this is also a buy market. We've been buying this for a while. Ourselves off of this market every day. We have our stop loss in at our entry point. USD MXN. This is a sell market. We're paying ourselves off of that today. EUR NOK. This is a buy market for those, okay? EUR ZAR. This is another buy market. We put our buy stop order in, I don't know, last week. The market has started to move forward, started to rally. We're going to be able to drop our stop loss in shortly as soon as the market starts to rally a little bit more for us. But this is a buy market. USD NOK. Okay, rule number 3 is in effect. We're not in this market, friends. We missed our window. USD SEK. This is another market we are not in. Rule number 3. USD SGD. Now this market, this is a sell market, and we are in this market. We got into this market early on. So, you know, friends, when these trend changes, that is when we get in at the inception and we ride these trends down. Some of these trends can last up to 6 months to 2 years. So we like to get in early and just ride these markets, okay, as long as we can. And we're paying ourselves off of these markets every day. USD ZAR. This is a sell market. Now, friends, we had our sell stop order in. The market has continued to pull back on us where it has never hit our sell order. So we're just going to wait and see if this pullback is going to create a trend change. But we just have to wait and see. Patience, friends. Rule number 4, patience. CAD, CHF. Okay, friends, this is another chart that we're going to take a look at. And that's CAD, CHF. So we're going to bring that chart up. So on CAD, CHF, that is a sell market, friends. And so we can see the 50-period moving average is outside the 200 and 500, and we see the shading is red. We got in early at the inception, and we've been riding this market down, okay? So our next market that we're going to look at is CAD, JPY. Okay, this is a sell market for those who already got into this market. We've been paying this market every day. Now, for everyone else who have not had an opportunity to get into this market, you have now missed your window. So patience, just hold off, wait. You're going to have another opportunity to get into this market shortly, okay? EURCAD. This is a buy market, friends. Pay yourself off this market if you're buying it. Make sure your stop loss is in at your entry point. But this is a buy market. GBP, CAD. This is also, we've been a market that we have been buying since the trend changed. We got our stop loss in our entry point. We're paying ourselves. Now, for everyone else who did not get an opportunity to get into this market, rule number 3 is in effect. You missed your window, okay? USD, CAD. Now, this is a sell market, friends. We actually had a sell order in here, but the market pulled back on us, hit our stop loss at our entry point, and knocked us out the market. If you want to go ahead and engage in this market, make sure it's a sell order only, sell stop orders only, okay? AUD, CAD. This is a buy market. In this market, the pullbacks happened, knocked us out the market. If you want to engage in this market, it has to only be buy stop orders only, okay? AUD, CHF. This is a buy market, friends. We were buying it. Pullbacks happened, knocked us out the market. If you want to get back in it, buy stop orders only. AUD, JPY. Okay, friends, this is a sell market. We've been selling it. We're going to pay ourselves off of it today. Now, for everyone else who have not had an opportunity to get into this market, you missed it too late. Hold off. AUD, NZD. This is also a buy market. We got in. We're buying it. We're going to pay ourselves off of it today. Okay. AUD, USD. This is a market that we've been buying. We're going to pay ourselves off of it today. Now, for everyone else who did not get a chance to get into it, this market, rule number 3 is in effect. EUR, AUD. This is a sell market, friends. We have our sell order in here. Well, we had it in here. Then the market pulled back on us, knocked us out the market. But if you want to get in this market, sell stop orders only. EUR, NZD. This is a buy market. We've been buying this one. Pullbacks happen. It did hit our buy order, but the market pulled back on us, friends. The market has not, the trend has not changed in this market, so we just have to wait and see. Now, in the event that the trend changes in this market, we're going to go ahead and take our minor loss. So we're taking minor losses maybe 2-3 times a month. Just look at it look at it as like paying rent. So, but you got to realize that we take profits every day and we have to pay back 2-3 times a month. Okay. And we may have to pay this back if the trend changes, but then we reposition and we make our money back. GBP, AUD.